teachers. Today we, the of class second, are going to present the story of the lion and the mouse to you. Please enjoy it. Hello, I am Kavya. I will play the role of storyteller in this drama. Hello, I am Shivani. I will play the role of lion in this drama. Hello, I am Disha. I will play the role of mouse in this drama. Hello, I am Shubham. I will play the role of hunters in this drama. Hello, I am Gunjan. We will play the role of mouse friends in this drama.
पुढे या थोडेसे इकडे ओढलं जाईल.
Hello, my name is Priya. We will play the role of mouse friend in this drama. Hi, I am Aradhya. We will play the role of mouse friend in this drama. Hello, I am Aditya. We will play the role of mouse friend in this drama.
Mike.
Hello, I am Bhavesh. I will play the role of tree in this drama. Once a lion was sleeping under a tree. A mouse saw him. He ran up the lion's tail and climbed all over his back. He jumped all over his body. He started sliding down the lion's face. Again and again the lion got up. He got very angry. He caught the little mouse in his paw. Look what happened next. The mouse was afraid. He started stumbling. Look what happened next. You naughty mouse, how dare you disturb the naughty? I punish you, I will eat you. Oh lion, the king of jungle, I am really sorry. Please forgive me, please let me go. I will help you someday. Ha ha ha. Oh really, you little mouse? How can you help me? That's so funny. Anyway, go get away from here. Thank you, friend. Thank you so much. Mouse ran away quickly. A few days later, the lion was caught in his hunter's net. He was roaring loudly. Look what happened next. Oh, lion are sleeping here. I got it. Eat it. This is the sound of a lion roaring. I want you to see. Oh, my friend, lion caught in a hunter's net. I must rescue. I now call my other friends. Come fast. Thank you, dear little mouse. You saved my life. Thank you so much. Welcome. Moral of the story.